So the past couple of days, I've been experiencing no audio from my Tesla, like no audio at all. My music won't even play. As you can see, it's on. I got the volume all the way up. It's just not playing. I got my blinker on. As you can see, it's not even making a noise. Even when I go to reverse, as you can see, it's not making any humming noise like it normally does. And I found a little trick on the forums that could save you guys some money, so you don't have to take this into Tesla to get it fixed. All you're gonna do is just do a little reset by holding these two buttons right here at the same time until the screen goes off, and then when it turns back on, everything should be working. So we're gonna give that a shot. All right, so we're just gonna hold these two buttons right here. And now we wait until it goes back on. All right, so we are back live. Let's see if it works. We're gonna turn our blinker on, and boom. You guys hear that? We have audio. All right, let's turn the... Yeah, I don't know if you guys could hear the humming sound, but the humming sound is back. And for the grand finale, let's see if our music will play. Perfect, there we go. The radio's working, and we are good to go. Hopefully this helps. If it doesn't work, try it a second time. And if that still doesn't work, just give Tesla a call before you schedule a service so you guys can save some money. And maybe they can just tell you how to fix it over the phone. Make sure you guys subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next video.